Welcome to another video from Trader Stream. Guys, my name is Masin. So we are here with another video. So today we will be talking about what is swing trading. You might have heard about swing and positional trades from your friends, news channels, and a lot of portals. You would have heard about swing trades and positional trades. So today we'll be talking about what is swing and positional trades. So why is it important and how does it affect, and what type of aspects and what tools and what you need to analyze to make sure that you enter into a positional or a swing trade. Now, typically swing trade and a positional trade is for a trader who has a higher bandwidth of capital and who also wants to hold a trade for more than one day. So the rule number one is someone who is ready to hold the trade more than a day. That trade would be considered as a swing or a positional trade. So in our saying, we would say someone who's looking to make who falls into the category of WIT and MIT. WIT is a weekly income trader or a monthly income trader. So someone who is specifically looking to make income for a whole week or a month and who's looking to make a bigger set of income, so they fall into a category of swing and positional trading techniques. So what you need to make sure, and what kind of analysis that you need to do if you're someone who wants to enter into a swing or a positional trade. Now, first and foremost, if you are a trader, now you know trading is all about discipline and also analysis. You cannot just come and sit on a desk and see which stock is going up and enter into a stock. That's not how the trading is done. Just like how you and me, we all have studied in our schools, colleges and exams, we used to prepare for our exams. Now it's in the same way. If you are entering into a trade, you got to prepare yourself before the market opens. So if you are someone who is a positional or a swing trader, now what you need to do is you need to make sure that you analyze the stocks on Friday and over the weekend. So that is what I do, because I love swing and positional trades, because the risk to reward ratio, of course it is very different, but what you would be making would be really high, because you would be holding the trade for 3 or 4 days or for 1 or 2 weeks. So the reward is bigger and the risk is also bigger, but compared to the reward, yeah, if you have a proper money management, then swing and positional trades are something for you. Now what you need to make sure on the swing and positional trades is, first and foremost, when we do the analysis on any of the stocks, we would only do the analysis on daily, weekly and monthly. So standard, we would I personally don't prefer doing analysis on the lower time frame charts. Now the lower time frame charts are for people who would want to do intraday trading. So people who want to do positional and swing tradings, my suggestion is to go ahead and do the analysis on daily, weekly and monthly candles. Now if you can actually, if you do follow our Telegram channel, I'm not sure how many of you are following it. If you do follow our Telegram channel, we talk about the demand and supply zones of each stocks if they come into a demand or supply zone. Now we did talk about the Tata Chem last week. I'm not sure if you are following it. I have put the I did put the description of our Telegram channel. I have put the link in the description box. You can go ahead and follow our Telegram channel. So we did talk about the zone here on Tata Chem. Now this is a positional trade. Now if you are someone who is entering the trade at this zone, which is about 630, 640, you will be holding this trade for the next 3 or 4 days for a wonderful reward of 1:5 or 1:3 or 1:7. So one beautiful thing about swing and positional trades is you would be getting a wonderful risk to reward ratios. So most of the times minimum that you will get will be 1:3, 1:5 or 1:7, and in some cases you would get 1:10 as well. Now not necessarily it happens every time, but 1:3 is what we will look at on the positional and the swing trades. So what does 1:3 means? That means whatever you are risking, Let's say if your stop loss is 1 rupee, your take profit would be 3 rupees. Now in this case, if your stop loss is 10 rupee, 3 times of that will be your take profit. Now that's how you will trade on the swing trades. Now how do you analyze which are the swing trades that you need to take? Now you can follow our Telegram channel to get the instant updates on some demand and supply zone, or you can go ahead and do the analysis on your own. What you can actually do is open up weekly or monthly candle and see where you can find the zones here. So if you can actually see, we see there are some zones at these price ranges. So what you would do is on the weekly and monthly is when you would go ahead and do the analysis on the swing and positional trade. Now you can learn more about this on our free webinar which we conduct on every Saturday, or follow our Telegram channel, or keep following on our YouTube channel. We will also talk about some of the swing trades that are available. So we would be talking about some swing trades in coming weeks, so follow our YouTube channel as well, where you would get more information. So until then, this is Mohsin signing off from TraderStream, and I hope you guys would have a wonderful day and wonderful weekend, and also a wonderful week and a wonderful year end, and I welcome everyone to the 2020.